In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a phone mockup in Figma. By the end, you will have your design neatly framed inside a realistic iPhone or Android device. Ready to present or share? Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the screen you want to showcase is visible on your canvas. Next, open the Plugins menu using the Quick Actions shortcut. Press Ctrl-K, then in the panel that appears, choose Plugins. In the search bar, type Mockup. From the results, open the Mockup plugin and run it. If this is your first time, follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, you can run it immediately from the same panel. Inside the plugin, choose the device type that best matches your project. Either iPhone or Android. This sets the correct proportions and device frame for your preview. Then, select a free template. Free templates are a great starting point and ensure you won't run into paywalls as you work. Pick a template that matches the style you want, whether minimal, realistic, or something with a slight angle. Now click the plus icon to select your screen frame. This tells the plugin exactly which frame on your canvas to place inside the device. If you have multiple screens in your file, take a moment to click the specific frame you want featured. Aim for the main parent frame of your screen rather than a nested group, so the mockup captures everything you expect. Click Crop to refine the fit. Cropping lets the plugin trim any overflow and align your design perfectly within the device's safe area. This step prevents edges or status bars from looking off-center and ensures your layout fills the frame the way you intended. Finally, click Paste to place the finished mockup onto your canvas. The plugin will insert the rendered phone mockup into your Figma file, so you can see it in context with the rest of your work. It should appear as a clean, ready-to-use element that mirrors your selected frame inside the chosen device template. If you need to review it closely, zoom in to confirm the crop looks right, and the device template matches your vision. That's the full workflow. Thanks for watching.